Rainy, what'd you get?
We got fishy. Wow.
Fishy, have a good life.
Come on, run fast, run fast.
Rains, where are we? Where are we, baby?
Fishing.
Huh?
Fishing.
Fishing, yay. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Where are we going?
I don't know if I believe you.
Are we going fishing?
Not this.
Are you matching Dada?
Uh,
Okay, you want to walk with Dada? Okay, let's walk. Come on. Where are we going? Fishing, give me knuckles. Knuckles? Knuckles? Dada's gonna help you.
Are you gonna catch a fish?
Are we gonna catch one? Yeah, we are, huh?
Mama had catch a little one.
Mama will catch a little one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch a big one.
No, you're not. Okay. Ready? You ready to cast in?
Hold it.
Already? Huh. Okay. He's a watch. There you go, Deal. Just take a picture.
It broke? Show me how you're gonna do it, Rains.
Yeah, show Mama how you cast in.
You don't have to tell us.
Do you need help? Do you want to cast it in and reel it in? Okay.
She's doing it.
Remember, hold it and then you let go when you throw it. Can you try it? Oh my gosh.
Rains, look, they caught a fish. What do you think about that?
I wonder what they're using.
They say that one has something.
Okay.
Yo, what's up? Woke up from the shop. Nice shot, man.
Okay, reel it in, Rain Rain.
No. We're expecting some.
Oh, yeah, I got
Hold on, okay, let me get this on my
Daddy, where's my water?
Hold on. Okay.
Should be in there.
Ready, Ring?
Told you guys, bro. Told you guys should not room.
Here, Ring.
You didn't bring your jacket.
He broke the whole thing.
Ready? Recording?
Yeah.
Yes, worms are more successful.
Ready?
Tristan, get that thing away from me.
Good one.
Let's wait. Let's wait.
Boy,
Wait.
What?
There's not up.
What?
We're not bobbing. I'm gonna need to take a weight off.
okay, I'm watching.
Yeah, I definitely do.
I watched it. Papa, here. Papa. Papa.
Round two.
Here.
I still got too much weight on it.
I don't get it.
Don't go. Go in there.
Take it over. Good job, Raina. Here, go fast, go fast, go so fast.
Go it.
Yeah, not fast, not fast. Now slow, now slow. You got it? Yeah.
Sink the float.
Really?
Yeah, the sink the float.
Can you help? hold it, you reel it. We do teamwork. Okay, you hold it and I reel it. Okay, it's still on there. We gotta recast it. What? Okay, ready?
My fish.
Don't touch, Rain Rain. Be very careful.
Careful, yeah, we're gonna cast it. Ready?
Sit down.
I will. Ready?
Sit down.
Rains, talk nice, please.
Sit down on bum.
Rainy, what'd you get? What'd you get, Reins?
Rainy, we may have just got one. Hold it. Hold my phone. You hold it.
Sure.
You hold this. We may have got it.
Sure.
Rainy, we got one. Come here. Come here, Rainy. Come reel it in. Come reel it in.
Yeah. Mama, that's
Yay.
Keep reeling. We got one. We got keep reeling.
That's a guideline.
No, you caught it. Look. Reel it.
Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it.
Mom, that's a guideline.
Keep reeling, Rains. Keep reeling. Here it comes. Woohoo! Okay. Hey, come over here, Rains. Okay. Whoa.
What do you think about that, Rain Rain?
Oh my goodness. Let's show Mama. Come here.
That's a guideline.
We got one. Say cheese. Rainy, is that a fish? Say whoa. Look what we got.
God.
Tell the camera.
Look
We got a fishy.
fishy.
Just a small one.
Wow,
Look at it. Look at
You're
it.
going to release it and let it eat that worm, right?
Okay, we're gonna let it go
Say
now.
bye-bye, fish.
For now, we gotta let it get the water in the gill, and then once it's ready,
Rains, be very careful.
once it's ready, it'll come away.
Oh, no.
Belly up.
No.
Okay.
Bye-bye, fish. Bye-bye, fishy.
Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, oh, we'll catch you again.
Stop dying.
I'm watching. Okay, I won't record. Whoa! Did you get it, Rains? Oh. Look over this one. Rainy, come here.
Oh, Rains, I think Daddy got a real fish. No? He lost it.
Yay! Yay, Dada!
Oh, Rains.
Yay, Dada!
I think the fish swam away, baby. It's okay,
We may
though.
have gotten our bait, baby. May have gotten the worm. Let's check. Yay!
Yay, Dada!
Oh, we didn't get one.
Dad's going to
My biggest fan.
recast.
Okay, let's recast it.
Okay, Jen. Well, I'm still
ready,
gonna
Reese?
reel it.
That one does not go far.
That's one.
Yeah. Reel it in, Rains.
Pull it in and
It's just right. There you go.
My stomach's starting to hurt.
What's the matter? Keep reeling it in.
No, I wanted to.
Okay.
I can't really catch these.
You want me to cast it for you, Rains?
What is
No?
Mine has a trigger that I can push.
Do you want it?
She's saying yes.
Oh, yeah.
What happened? What happened? Did you hurt your knee?
I know how to feel.
Come on.
Go with me.
Raina!
Go with me. Mama. Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Okay, go help him reel it in. Go help him reel it in.
Come here, Rain. Indy, you come sit with me.
Rains, do you think it's the same fish as before?
Reel it in.
Oh my.
Reel it in. Hand me Indy. Hand me Indy.
Be careful.
Come here, buddy. Uh-huh. Whoa, Rains. Hey, keep reeling, keep reeling. We got it. We got one. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling, Rains. All the way in. Oh, Indy. I'm gonna grab him. Whoa, Rains. Okay.
Mama.
Right, ready?
Mama.
Whoa. Whoa, Rains. Is that rainbow or brown?
A rainbow.
Whoa, this one's a bigger one. Here, get a video. Oh, thank you. Bring it, bring it. I think she knows. Okay, okay.
Aw.
Okay, look, this one's so much bigger.
Rains, let's get a picture.
Let's get a picture. Casey, look at Mom. Look at Mama. Say cheese. You want to hold the fish? Here, let's take it out. One sec, one sec.
I don't really want her to hold it.
I do. Okay. Well, you see that? We gotta stick that in there. Okay.
Okay, be careful
let
with
that,
her.
Let that out. Because we gotta be super
We don't want to hurt
careful.
the fishy.
We got a couple of them. Okay, we gotta stick the hook out. Huh.
You want to hold the
What is
fish?
that? Okay, come here, Ann. You hold it. Oh, okay, feel it, feel it. Okay, show Mom. Come on. Just touch it. Just pet it. Give it a pet. Give it a pet. He loves you. Look at it. Oh, is it slimy? It's slimy. Indy boy, you want?
No.
And let him touch it. Okay, okay.
Oh.
Come here. Keep recording. Okay. You want to throw it in? Throw it in.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Okay, we gotta let it get some.
Have a
We gotta
good
let it
life,
get some
fishy.
air in the lungs. Okay.
Until that another one.
Yeah. Okay. Because we don't want it to go belly up, so we gotta let it breathe. You see its lungs?
Yeah, just like that, baby. Deep breaths for the fishy.
Just showing way better.
Here it goes. Bye bye, fishy.
Bye-bye, fishy. Have a good life.
Another one.
I don't think we're going to do any more, baby. We're going to...
Switched, babe. Oh.
Rains, have a good... Bye-bye, fishy. Have a good life.
I switched bait and I caught that in first cast. Whoa, Rain.
How many fish did you catch?
Raina, tell me how many fish? 2? That's so fun, huh? Indy, how many did we catch? What's my cocoa melon doing? Should we run?
Yes.
Okay, run. Cocoa melon. Oh. Ready, set, go. Hey, you can't beat me. You're the little girl. Hey, come on. Oh, run fast. Run fast. Oh, okay. Oh, Raina tired. Raina, look at me. Did we catch fish?
Yeah.
How many?
2.
2? No way. Did any boy and mama hang out with us?
It's okay.
Whoa.
Just keep going.
You said hi. guy's drone.
She calls everybody little guy right now. Some like huge grown man walked past her. And I said, excuse me. And she's all, little guy, say hi to me. I'm like, you what, that 300-pound man?
Yeah. Hop, hop.
Little bunny.
Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop,
gosh,
little
I see
bunny.
a
Hop,
little
hop,
bunny.
hop. Hop,
See a little
hop.
bunny up in the mountains.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Just so beautiful up here.
I like these.
Get bug spray and, you know,
Dada,
come do. Yeah, baby.
hold me.
Hold you.
Dada.
You carry that? Yeah, that's what we got to do to go fishing, huh? You carrying it? Look at me.
Mommy, you hold it.
Raina, no, you have to carry it.
I'm too heavy.
Okay, hand it to Dada.
No.
Oi.
Mommy, do it.
Mommy's trying to check something.
Dada.
Yeah?
Mommy, hold the phone.
You want to record? Okay.
Dada, you won.
Whoa.
Dad, you won.
Okay. You gonna chase after me?
Yes.
Okay. Come on. Wow. I record here?
Let me close.
Okay.
Dada won.
Oh, record. I'm running. Is Rainy running?
Little.
Okay. Now Rainy runs. Okay. We run?
Come on.
Okay. Can we go get Mama?
No.
Okay. Let Dada. You run with Mama. You record Mama running. Okay?
Mom won.
I know.
Dad won.
Oh, I'm running. Come on. Oh, thank you, baby. Okay. Oh, Raina, tired? Andy boy.
No, there's nothing to stand on, sweetie. Let's just get back to
Andy boy. Oh. Andy boy, what you doing? Okay.
I'm right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
feet up.
Get your feet up.
Feet up.
Get your feet up. Oh, Mama got both.
Uh-oh.
Oh, careful. Wait. That's a chunk of hair.
She didn't even react.
Okay.
We gotta go.
Here, Rains, let's run back to the car. Hurry. Come on, Rains.
Raina, there's so many bugs.
So many mosquitoes. Come on. Okay, you want Dad to carry you?
This is a joke. It's gone away.
There's bugs on top of my head. Can you get them? Yeah, get it, get it. Oh, okay. Is that my sweet girl?
Mine's car.
Raina, did you have fun fishing? You have fun fishing? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Blow kisses.